This is the west coast of New Zealand. Absolutely majestic. So we've had like dolphins around us. So dolphins, oh my goodness, here they are again, look, yo, they must have heard me. Oh wow, wow, Mark, how magic. So I've been kayaking for quite a few years now, and yeah, that's the first time that's happened. First time, look at that, yo, wow. Wow, look, how cool is that? I've got a lure out, is that, oh, you got your lures out as well, cool. Wow, man, so cool. Look at that. Wow. Bucket list, tick. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look. Oh wow, wow, wow. Wow. That's crazy, yeah. Yo. And there they are. Look at that. Man. Was that a good omen, Mark? Yeah. No. Oh, all right, yeah, you want to do that side like that? Oh, mate, do you want me to get some couple of pictures?